Star Paws Rescue is an organization dedicated to saving the lives of animals in need. Animals that have been left to fend for themselves in the streets, shelters, and abandoned homes. Like Murphy, who has needed $2,500 worth of medical attention. Star Paws rescues any animal, no matter what the price of rehabilitation or the severity of their condition. Star Paws pays for their treatment and places them with a loving new owner. Like Tricia, who was abandoned in a park with mange, Star Paws paid for her treatment and she is now healthy and happy. Your money supports Star Paws Rescue 100%. In addition, the time and effort of wonderful fosters and volunteers for Star Paws help dozens of dogs find loving homes all year round. Star Paws helps rescue a dog when in need. The amount of animals without homes is growing, and Star Paws is in need of more foster parents, volunteers, and funding to help them. Like this mama dog Star Paws found living with 8 puppies under a house. They were all saved and adopted to a good home. With the help of yours and other generous support, animals from unfortunate circumstances are now given a second chance to live a normal, safe, and happy life. Pledge your support today. Help Star Paws Rescue keep operating and saving animals from the shelters and streets. Call or visit the Star Paws website today to see how you can make a difference in these animals' lives.